Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today we will see conditional statements in Python programming. Conditional statements are if, ELIF, if else. And this is the program we are doing. We have to find grade based on marks entered by the user. We will see the program. This is the statement to enter a number by the user. Then take one if statement for n less than 40 colon one indentation space print failed. Means if marks entered by the user is less than 40, then he is fail. ELIF n greater than equal to 40 and n less than 60. Enter indentation space print C grade. Enter again ELIF n greater than equal to 60 and also n less than 75. Enter indentation space print B grade. Enter else colon indentation space print A grade. I will explain each line by line code. First, n equal to int of input enter a number means we have to enter a number. Suppose, for example, I have entered 60 as a marks. Then, if n less than equal to less than 40, it will print fail. ELIF, ELIF means or else. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will go to ELIF. N greater than or equal to 40 and n less than 60. If you want to check two statements, then we use AND. Then print C grade or else means ELIF n greater than equal to 60 and n less than 75. If this condition satisfies, if this condition true, then print B grade or else means last statement else print A grade. This is the program. Then we will execute and see. First we have to save. Save as. You can give any name .py. Python programming. In Python programming, we have to save the file with py. This is the extension we use in Python. Click on save. Then open command prompt. cd desktop directory dir. Then you have to type the file name pass.py. We have to enter a name. Based on this, it will calculate. I have given 70. 70 means these statements will be executed. This statement is true, so it gave output as B grade. But suppose I have entered 40. Then this statement is true, so this statement is true, so it gave output as C grade. Or suppose I have entered n less than 40, then it will give fail. We will see that one also. Pass.py like 36, see, fail. This is the output. Why we use these conditional statements means, if we have more than one statement to check, then we use if, ELIF, else. If you have only one statement to check, simply we use if only. If we have two statements, then we use if and else. If we have more than two statements, then we have to use ELIF. I hope all of you understand this program. If you have any questions, please comment below. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding!